Alright, so today I received in the mail an Oculus Quest 2 that is sitting here. I not only received this Quest 2, but I also received the Oculus Elite strap for the Quest 2, as well as the Oculus Link cables, so I'll be able to use those PC games with the Oculus Quest 2. And furthermore with that, also why is this? A Logitech, what is this thing? I don't even know what this is that bad? A Logitech Pro for Oculus Quest 2, okay. Yeah, okay. So, looks like a Logitech Pro headset for the Oculus Quest 2. I believe that's almost all of the accessories you can get with this kit, other than like the bag and maybe like one or two other things I'm forgetting, but this is about every accessory you can get with this Quest 2 from Oculus. So I'm going to reposition the camera and we'll unbox these in order, starting with the Quest 2, then we'll go to the Elite strap, then we'll go to the Link cable, and then we'll unbox the headphones, and we'll do all of this as one bundle in this video. My cat just loves to be on camera. I don't know if you guys noticed, but every time I film one of these videos she shows up, so I don't know. Camera hungry. Anyway, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so starting with the Oculus Quest 2 unboxing, let's see where my knife went. Okay, there it is. I hope this angle is alright for you guys. I don't do these unboxing videos very often, but if you have any comments or tips and tricks on how I can improve these unboxings, let me know and I'll see how I can orientate the camera. Alright, but let's see how we want to open this. I've never opened one of these. I feel like a lot of people can say that don't have one of these, but I haven't either, so I'll start there. I don't know, kind of just rip this open. Oh gosh, can I get it to slide off? That would be nice. This whole thing would just slide right off. Gosh, oh gosh, it started already. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Alright. So plastic wrap is off, put that to the side. Oculus, let you see all the sides of the box here. You may have to zoom in on the video a little bit if you want to see the real close-up details. Turn that like that, there you go. Okay, now next up, let's get this guy open. I think this slides up too. So let's get that. Oh boy. There we go. There we go. Put that there. Put this over to the side. And open this up. Okay, so that's the inside of the Oculus Quest 2 box. We've got the controllers. Okay, put that guy back in. Another controller. Okay, put that, wait, hold on a second now. Hold on a second. There we go. It goes like that. What do we have here? This guy, I'll start with this, seems to be something. Okay. Looks like a little manual book here, laying on the top. Put that to the side for now. And a AC adapter, as well as a charging cable for the Quest 2, and that looks like that's it for this box. Okay, oh, gotta put the manual back in. I think it was something like that. Seal this guy back up, put that to the side, and next up we have, which seems to be a glasses adapter for people that wear glasses. That's pretty cool that they include that. Set this guy over to the side, and the final piece in this box is the actual headset itself here, which, from the feel of it, there's like I think that's just packaging material. Oh yeah, it's definitely just packaging material. But here's the headset. There's the inside of it there. And this is with the factory strap that comes with it. And yeah, I don't know how much more there is to this box, because that looks like it's it. Pretty simple. I like it. There's not all kind of random things in the box. It's just what you paid for, and that's what you get. Put this guy back in here. I believe it was something like that, and this was over it. And there was this guy kind of just laying in here. Something like that. But yeah, that's it for the Quest 2 opening. Let's move on to the Elite strap, see what's in there. Alright, so here we have the Oculus Elite strap for the Quest 2. Some angles of the box here. Oculus there. Little back part of it with some instructions. Diagram what it looks like. Now we'll get this guy open. I believe this slides off. It does, but there is some tape. Lightly slice that open there. And there's some on the bottom as well. I hope I'm not opening this wrong. That would be a bit odd. Alright, slide this off. Oh, I think there's more tape, but where is it? No, maybe not. There it comes. Slide this guy off. Woohoo. Sorry if that was loud. That knife slid right by the microphone. Turn this guy over. What the hell did my cat just do behind me? Hey! Over that. Good cat. Okay, so open this Elite strap up. Opens very similar to the Quest 2. Take this guy out. It looks like it's all just part of this. Alright. Slides in like that. There's nothing in there. It just slides out and in. Put that to the side. And here we have the Elite strap. This looks as if it snaps on to the edges of the Quest 2. Back support for your head. That's really cool. That looks like that's it for this. I don't know how many angles you want to get of this thing. I know some people may watch this video wondering if they should buy it. What does it look like? Well, this is what the strap looks like. Elite strap, that is. And we have here just a manual for the Elite strap. Not much in there. I believe that is everything that comes in this box. I don't see anything else, so cool. Another very simple, you get what you paid for, and that's it. Box. Oh, that doesn't go like that. This slides into this. And that goes something like that. Alright. Oh, actually. There we go. That's how it was. Alright, now moving on to the, what did I say was next? The Oculus Link cable. Put this guy back in its original packaging as best as possible. Oh, I want to slide. There it goes. Bam. Alright, awesome. Alright, so moving on to the Oculus Link cable that is here. Go ahead and get this guy open. So it looks like it has some tape right here. Try and lightly cut that. Get this tape cut off. Take that guy out. Plastic wrap, put that to the side. And what comes in with the link cable, so you'll see the angular. Alright. Oculus Link cable. Let's get this guy open, slide this off. Oh, looks like they have some tape here. Missing the tape. Cut that. There we go. Put that to the side. Alright. Let's see. Got some more tape here. Cut that off. And here we have the Oculus Link cable, nice and packaged here. Just slides out. They've got some packaging material on it there. I believe this cable is, let's see, it should say it here on the box, just so I can confirm. I hope it says it on the box. This cable is 5 meters long, and this is a USB Type-C cable for the Oculus Link for the Quest 2. And you can see that one of the ends here has a bend in it there. And the other one is straight. So assuming the bend is for the headset itself and the straight one is for the PC. And that's it for the Oculus Link cable. Actually, there does seem to be a manual at the bottom of it there. Just something to note. Alright, put this guy all back together. packaging. Okay, moving on to the final piece of this bundle that I ordered is the Logitech G Pro headset made for the Quest 2. I don't know what they made it for the Quest 2, and what I mean by that is I think the only thing they changed on it is they added a 3.5mm cord, and they made it short so that way it doesn't hang and dangle on you while you're in VR, which that's really cool. So yeah, let's get it open. Some back and forth of the box, keep playing on the back of it, little diagrams there. Okay, flip this guy over, open this up. So we got some tape on the side of it, slice that open, both sides actually. Alright, open this guy up. Slide this out, and bam, there we go, box is empty. Put that over to the side. Now we have the Logitech G Pro headset, which we can see here comes with a, looks like to be a USB to 3.5mm audio adapter. That's really cool. I haven't seen one of these in a while. I knew they existed, but that is super cool that this is included in case you don't have that jack on your laptop or PC or whatever you may be using it with. And then we'll pull the actual headset out here. Looks like they have some restrictive packaging on there. It's packaged up nicely. Take this off. Alright, bam, that's it for this. Put that to the side, and here we have the headset itself. These are actually quite big. You can compare them to the size of my hand there. Actually really big earmuffs. I wonder how that works with the headset. Both sides of it there. Earphones itself, these don't turn at all. These are locked in place. Really nice cushion there. And there is fabric covering the inside of the muffs, so your ears are not touching that plastic covering the speaker. And that seems to be it. Put this headset to the side with its packaging. There, that AC goes kicking on again. And finally, in the bottom of the box, and that'll be it for this, is the cable that comes with the headset. It looks like one shorter cable, and then some different various adapters, a microphone adapter, a splitter, and the longer cable itself, which does have a dongle included on the end of it. And that seems to be it for this headset. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.